Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Now it's time to do activity of A sound. Let's start. What is this? This is an apple. 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 Apple starts with A sound. It is a fruit. Its color is red. I like eating apple. What is this? This is an ant. 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 Ant starts with A sound. Its color is black. It is an insect. An ant is on the apple. Zzz. What is this? This is an aeroplane. 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 Aeroplane starts with A sound. It is very big. An aeroplane is flying in the sky. An ant is flying on the aeroplane. What is this? This is an axe. 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 Axe start with A sound. A boy has an axe. What is this? This is an alligator. 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 Alligator starts with A sound. It is an animal. Its color is green. How the girl is scared is. She is afraid of an alligator. Children, I hope you have learned all the words starting with A sound. Now take care. I'm going. Assalamu alaikum.